Please let me start with two questions. What are the most common clean technology in microgeneration markets? My answer is wind turbine, heat pumps, and solar panels. And what is the missing technology? Yes, it is energy storage. Now imagine all four as a package, but cheaper than the market. Thank you for having me here today. My name is Kasra Zarisfi, and I am the Director of Impressive Engineering Limited. 99% of world bulk energy storage capacity is provided by pump hydro. Other storage systems, including batteries, contribute only about 1%. Surprisingly, most of the researchers try to find a solution for the storage on those 1% technologies. We are different because we focus on the most successful energy storage technology. Hydraulic storage is a gravitational storage system with the same concept as a pump hydro. Water is pumped into an underground shaft to lift a heavy weight. The energy is stored as a high-pressure water in a giant underground hydraulic cylinder, which has a novel sealing mechanism. A typical hydraulic seal cannot be used because machining of the borehole is not practical, and a kind of rubber seal will have a poor integrity and performance due to the high friction. We have developed a frictionless sealing mechanism which can convert an underground borehole to a reliable hydraulic cylinder with no machining requirement. What is important about the hydraulic storage is that it is a multifunctional system. More than storage capacity, it can be used as a foundation for a structure, and also it can be used as a heat exchanger for absorbing the geothermal energy. Here are the energy towers. At the top, we have a beautiful vertical axis wind turbine. It is very quiet and it is noise-free. The rotor drives a pump which works with the storage, and therefore expensive equipment like gearbox, converter, and generator are deleted from the system. The structure is shared with solar panels, and the foundation is provided by the hydraulic storage. This reduces the cost of wind turbine by more than 60%. The tower revolves, so the solar panel can track the sun. This increased the power generation by more than 30%. The tower novel design makes it safe to be installed close to residential area. The heat pump is a ground source heat pump. It is very efficient, and for each given unit of energy, it generates a minimum of 3 units of thermal energy. The geothermal heat is provided by the storage system. This reduced the overall cost of the heat pump by 40%. And last but not least is our storage system. Regardless of the sun shines or the wind blows, the clean energy is stored and ready to be used. Hydraulic storage has a long life and high efficiency. And most importantly, considering all of those savings, we can have our storage almost for free. I would like to introduce Dr. Abul Fathi, our technical director, who is here with us today. We have involved in delivering many complex offshore oil and gas projects. We are confident that we can build a strong engineering team and successfully deliver the energy tower projects. We are seeking investment from investors who have experience in clean tech market. We would like to focus on engineering and expect that the investors take care of commercial and marketing aspect of the business and also support the management. We have performed 3 years R&D works on the hydraulic storage and successfully tested the sealing mechanism in the lab. The plan is to perform a large-scale prototype test within 1 year, an estimated cost of 150K. Patent has been granted for the storage system, and patent application is in place for energy tower concept. Hydraulic storage has been presented in national and international conferences. However, the energy tower's technical details are kept confidential, and no information is available in our website or presented yet. From our business plan, the initial budget for starting the business is 500K. The R&D cost can be supported by available research funds. The business is going to be started as an EPCM contractor. In year 1, the early contracts will only offer wind and solar, and later contracts will have the heat pump added. In year 2, the storage system will be introduced, and the R&D work shall be mainly concluded. We are aiming to finalize the design and create a standard tower by the end of year 2. Year 3 will be the project-focused year with aim of delivering many projects. Project managers and package engineers are employed to build project team. Year 4 will be the time for growth. The business shall be actively introduced to big names who manufacture wind turbines, solar panels, and heat pumps. As an exit plan, the business can be acquired by these companies. The target in year 5 is to deliver 1,000 units of energy towers. This target will be about 1.5% of the current European renewable market, and therefore the market potential is expected to be much higher than the 1,000 units per year. For a large tower, the storage capacity is about 500 kilowatt hour. The storage gets credit from both the heat and electricity generated by the tower. For an 800K tower, the storage can make 65K per year as a bonus at the top of the 200K per year returns from the wind, turbine, and solar panels and the heat pumps. The tower has a payback period of about 4 years. Thank you for your time. Please do come and see us for more information.